What's up, ladies and gentlemen? FFDev here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of the newest project that I'm working on. Now, just a forewarning, the project that I'm working on now is going to be a little bit different. As you know, I've been building my own game engine, and I just finished getting my bachelor's in software engineering. But before I finished working on my own game engine, I started another project, and in this project I'm actually going to be using the Unity game engine and developing a mobile game. This mobile game that I've developed is like a simple kart riding game. I'm also going to have it on PC as well. And if you guys are wondering the reasoning for me doing the developing a mobile game right now instead of my other one with my game engine, is because I gotta have some income coming in. You know how that is. Just finished school, got some stuff I gotta pay, so I need some income coming in. And so the timeline on this project will be about 30 days. This is what I'm projecting. It's gonna be a simple little mobile game, but I will show you guys exactly how I'm doing that with Unity. And this is some of the early footage. I'm gonna have some more footage coming. I've been putting in about 12 hours a day since I started. So I have much better footage to show you guys once I get it edited. This is just the very beginning and creating assets, some of the very simple assets, and I'll have more stuff to show you guys in the future. But if you guys are curious about the process of creating a Unity game for mobile, I'll show you guys everything I did, how I added the controls and all that good stuff and optimizations. So I have the footage here in the background, and I hope you guys enjoy. And just remember, I'm not the T-Man. I'm not the T-Man. So enjoy the video that I have in the background, and I will show you guys, or I will talk to you guys in the next video with more content. Comment below on what you want to see, and if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, and I'll try to answer you guys' questions as good as I can. Alright, thank you.